Okay, welcome to the second video of 3.4 Polymers. In this video, we'll be looking at addition polymer or addition polymerization. So the second and third box in this science understanding table. Addition polymerization occurs when monomer molecules link without the loss of atoms. So that's the definition anyway. And the third box there, addition polymers can be synthesized from alkene monomers. Draw the structural formula of an addition polymer that could be produced from monomers containing one carbon-carbon double bond given the structural formulae of the monomers or vice versa. So you may be given a monomers, not the other way around, you may be given a carbon chain and deduce what monomer could have been used. So that's what you need to be able to do. So let's have some practice. We are looking at this slide, which is slide 9, addition polymers. Alright, so addition polymerization occurs when monomer particles link without a loss of any atoms. So that's the definition. And prepared from alkene monomers. So if you want to do addition, you have to the monomer has to have the carbon with double bond, and one of them will break to grab onto another monomer next to it. You don't really need to know these steps, but this is how it happens. Initiation, so free radicals, which is like extra electron, starts the reaction, typically peroxide molecule, and then propagation, the chain starts to grow, and depending on how long you leave that growing process, you get different density or different size or length of chain. And that also changes rigidity, so how hard the plastic becomes type of thing. And then termination, so reaction needs to come to an end so that you can get desired flimsiness or durability of a polymer. There's a bit of she concept. We'll watch the video so that you can see the connection between how plastic or polymers came about. Moving on to the next part, slide 10. Polyurethane, I'll start again. Polyethylene is formed by the polymerization of ethylene. It's known as ethane. The double bond in ethane are broken during the polymerization reaction. So if you have double bond, one bond is broken, one of them, and grabs onto another molecule like that and makes up a longer chain. So that's how that happens. Repeating unit in this case is C2H4 with two bonds sticking out of that, because the monomer you started had two carbons. So don't make it down to CH2 as repeating unit. You have to follow what sort of shape the monomer had. Okay. I might do that. No atoms of hydrogen or carbon are removed in the reaction, which hopefully remember that it's a definition of addition reaction, addition polymerization. Okay, continuing on to next slide. How about polytetrafluoroethane, PTFE, or Teflon, as well commonly known as. It's a product name. Teflon has got the tetra, lots of fluoro group attached to ethane. So that's where you'd start with. Hopefully you can recognize that. And hopefully you know what Teflon is used for. It's commonly used for non-stick frying pan. Can you see where the repeating unit is? I'm going to pause. 3, 2, 1. Here's the answer. So C2F4 would be the repeating unit or the monomer unit used. And what do you think the monomer looked like? Well, hopefully you can convert the single bond that's broken down to double bond again. That's all you have to do. So the monomer that was used should look like that. ethane with tetrafluoro groups. Another example, PVC, polyvinyl alcohol, sorry, PVA, polyvinyl alcohol. Now, PVA is something you'd heard of when you are using glues, because glue is usually known as PVA glues, don't they? PVA looks like that. Where is the repeating unit? I give you 3, 2, 1. Hopefully you're putting the brackets in your head around there. Or maybe starting from left or right, either way you look at. But you need to have C2 as part of the monomer unit, and one having H and one having OH group coming off. What do you think the monomer look like? Again, it's now a broken double bond. If you put it back to double bond shape, hopefully you can think of this. So ethane with OH group, which displaced one of the hydrogens. So that's what the monomer looks like, ethane with alcohol group on it. There's a page number and a question number written. That's what we'll do in class. All right, I think that's it, because the next slide is about polymer properties. So please make sure that you can put the brackets around for monomer unit in any carbon chain, as well as you can work out what sort of monomer was used to make the polymer, or what sort of monomer, the other way around, yeah, vice versa. Okay, that's it for the second video. I'll see you in the next video.